This year's CANSO LAC conference has been really good. The main experience for me is that momentum that is building. This year we would have seen a lot more participation by industry. The region is building well. Congratulations to CANSO's LAC director, Javier and Celia for making this possible. We had very good informative discussions and panels. It provided for participants to discuss, look at critical matters that are affecting the conference participants, and it provided for discussions as well. I would want to say thank you to the Director General, Simon, and his CANSO team for supporting the LAC region and the momentum that we're getting. Congratulations to Cuba for being our latest member. And as we look forward to build the region, I invite other states to get on board and join CANSO.
En particular, la conferencia en la cual participamos y que ya hemos participado en otros años, le vemos un gran aporte, ya que se discuten temas de medular importancia para todos los países de la región, se enfocan soluciones a problemas comunes, se enfocan diferentes puntos de vista en las experiencias individuales de cada estado que permiten intercambiar las experiencias y permiten incorporarlo a nuestra actividad con el único objetivo de mejorar los servicios que brindan nuestras organizaciones.
I have a lot of positive things to say about the CANSO. First, I got the chance to participate to the last 4 events, and it was fantastic in the region. The Latin America conference is very important for our customers and all the stakeholders and all the members, and I really appreciate to be part of it. It allowed all the members to get connected to us and as well to other service providers. So it's, I think, a shared common experience for everyone. I'm personally very happy too. We can speak with customers, we can speak with people from the cancer organization, which are great by the way, and as well with competition and other partners that we are not that much able to see and discuss with in, I would say, normal professional relation. So it's very an honor again to be here, and I will look forward for the next one.
Well, I'm very pleased with this event. It has been very interesting to listen to the new technologies and maybe especially the space-driven technology about ADSB. It's very interesting for me to listen to. This event is a very good event to meet the people in the industry because you meet the key person.